Hello students, in this video, I will explain supply side economics where we will talk of fiscal incentives and increase in supply. Okay, so to solve problems, to control price, to solve unemployment problem, we will talk of fiscal incentives by which supply will improve and price will come under control. This concept is attributed to Robert Mundell and Arthur Laffer. In supply side economics, what we talk of basically is reducing rates of taxes that will work as incentive to increase investment. So investments will improve when taxes will reduce. Investment बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा? Employment will also increase and that will contribute to rise in income. So these are the channels in which development will happen. We say marginal rate of tax to be reduced so that investments will improve. Rise in investment will generate more jobs and generation of job will generate income. Okay, so this is fiscal incentives that we are talking about to be given to investors. Monetary policy, we are not taking up here. Monetary policy, according to Mundell and Laffer, will increase the problem. As if you increase money supply, price will further rise. In 1974, Laffer curve was introduced, which is actually inverse U. Now you will see in this that as tax rate is increasing, tax revenue is also rising, which is beneficial for government. Tax revenue बढ़ रहा है, but it is true only up to this point R. So from O to R, curve is sloping upwards. Once we reach point T, this is maximum possible rate of tax OR. और आगे अगर टैक्स रेट को बढ़ाएंगे, this will work as disincentive and tax revenue will start falling. Okay, there is bearable capacity. एक लिमिट तक टैक्स बेयर कर सकेंगे इंडिविजुअल्स. If you increase it further, it will work as disincentive and tax revenue will start declining. So that means there is limit up to which you can tax people. So tax को control में रखना जरूरी है. R is the maximum rate of tax. Now on your income, if government keeps increasing tax rate 10%, 20, 30%, 40, 50, 60, अगर इतना government ले तो naturally that will work as disincentive. So up to certain level only you can increase tax rates. It will work as disincentive otherwise. We are talking about encouragement to be given to supply. So we say original supply curve is S1, demand curve D. So E is original equilibrium, corresponding price P and output Q1. Okay, ये ओरिजिनल सिचुएशन है. अब इंसेंटिव्स दिए गए प्रोड्यूसर को. For example, in terms of taxes, fiscal policy incentive we are talking about. So, policy steps like tax में concession देना. So this will increase investment. Investment will increase, employment will increase, output will increase. है ना, income बढ़ेगा. तो होगा क्या इससे? Supply बढ़ा हमने दिखाया. Output will increase and rise in supply, good availability होगा अगर goods का, अवेलेबिलिटी अगर रीजनेबली हाई है, प्राइस विल ऑल्सो कम अंडर कंट्रोल, तो प्राइस कम हो जाएगी. इन अर्लियर वीडियो यू हैव लर्न अबाउट स्टैगफ्लेशन प्रॉब्लम, करेक्ट? सो स्टैगफ्लेशन में क्या होता है, प्राइस हाई है एंड सप्लाई लो है. सो विद द सप्लाई साइड इकोनॉमिक्स, देखो हमने फिस्कल इंसेंटिव से सप्लाई बढ़ाया, तो आउटपुट बढ़ा और प्राइस कम हुआ. So we are automatically trying to control these problems actually in this way. However, it is criticized, although many countries have really experimented this, including India. US has experimented in President Reagan's period, but it was not that successful. Friedman is criticizing this, saying that if you really reduce tax rate, tax revenue on part of government will reduce. So government budget will be experiencing deficit. Government will not be able to spend them. No incentives they can give to firms. They cannot spend for private entrepreneurs or household. It becomes difficult for them with deficit. So ये कंसेप्ट के हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट इंटरफेरेंस कम होना चाहिए, टैक्स में इंसेंटिव्स दिए जाएं, लिबरल एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएशन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. 90s में majority of the countries of the world experienced liberal era in decade of 90s, but even after this liberalization, problem still exists. So with this, there are some problems as we are listing of supply side economics, but still this is very popular and majority of the countries are trying to reduce their tax rates to encourage their investors and producers, including India. We have also tried to reduce our tax rates. We have completed explanation of supply side economics. Thank you for viewing these videos.